Wow, red. Meat.
Grass fed. No chemical, no hormone. Straight from the woods of the southern part of the United States. Good in Tagalog.
What in what? You want me to say in Tagalog too?
No, this is a wild pig from the southern part of the United States.
Oh yeah, wild pig. It's the same in Tagalog. Wild pig or the
Wild lechon.
wild baboy.
Or boboy or.
Wild baboy. In the western what?
No, southern part.
Southern.
Part of the United States.
Yeah, southern daw, part sa United States. What are you doing? Look at her. Look at our baby. What are you doing? Hey!
Get my Chinese knife.
See guys, so look oh. Red na red talaga siya. Ano yun siya? It's like, I think it's called like a wild pig, right? A wild pig. Wild pig, diba?
Yeah, straight from China.
Tron! Shift! Shift! We need to buy a bigger than that. Bigger than that.
It's sharp, man. See?
Oo. Hey! Hi, say hi! Say, what can...
Hi.
Say hi, you're back in vlogging now. Say hi, vlog.
Hi.
Vlog. OMG. Focus to the meat.
The meat on my finger, right?
And ingat food, ingat. Oh my god. Yes. I'm not good agoy. I'm not good in the...
Yeah, what?
Look at your anak, she asked help daw.
Want help, baby? What's wrong?
Oh my god, I'm good. I'm not sure if you want me to post this video because
Well, I'm going to the gym soon, so. Yes, baby.
push. Hait dyan siya ba? Hait. It's so sharp. Oh my god. What happened?
The bone is so tough.
So napangag. What happened to the knife? Napangag. Napangag na ang knife. My husband complaining it's not good video though. But it's good, oh. See? So
A lot of meat.
I forgot to get my stick this way. This, oh. Wow.
I'm trying to cut it like a chicken, but in between the bones, it's not that easy.
Are you going to cook that tonight?
No.
Oh. Okay. I'm not hungry. Maybe you can... Oh.
See?
I don't know what I
I'm
want.
trying to find it in between the bone like a chicken.
Look at your ano. What? Hurt? Where? Look at me. Look at me. Peekaboo! I see you. Where is Where is baby?
Hi.
Peekaboo. Come back. Nagipangkuha ng bula. Pangkuha ng bula. Uy! No, no, no. Dangerous.
You hear me?
Oh. Say, what a guan, what a guan, what a guan. Did I say right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, fat. That's fat, right?
Not fat, it's lean.
No, this white one. That's
Yeah, a little fat under here.
yeah.
Mommy.
Tambok, tambok. What?
Mommy.
Layer, anak.
What's wrong, baby?
Agoy! Ikaw, Jude!
Don't do that. You're gonna fall off the ball. You're gonna fall off.